po yung masasabi niyo sa kaso na final sa inyo, yung inciting to sedition at saka rebellion po?
Well, yun naman yung mga ganong klaseng kaso. Ganun din yung ginawa ni Marcos Sr. noong siya yung presidente noon. During the times of martial law, he imprisoned all of his political opponents. At nakita din naman natin yun yung ginagawa ni Marcos Jr. ngayon. He imprisoned former President Duterte. Now, napakulong niya yung mga senators na kalaban niya, yung mga congressmen na kalaban niya. He's filing cases against Senator Bongo, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Joel Villanueva. Like, lahat kinakasuhan niya, lahat either papakulong or papatayin niya. And he's following in the footsteps of his father, Marcos Sr. Kaya, he will also end in the same way, being removed by the people who once trusted him.
Meow meow, Marcos. Meow meow. Meow meow. Marcos, meow meow.